Today on Dirtnation Offroad, we are out in Johnson Valley trying out some of the most difficult trails that you can find. And everybody's braking. Yeah! Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we are in Johnson Valley and we are wrapping up desert season. I hate that word, desert season. Anyways, we are finally getting some nice weather. Look at these beautiful, good looking, non-cloudy, rainy, windy skies. It looks so good out right now. So we're out in the desert. We're here in Johnson Valley and we are here to do hard lines. Simple as that. We're here to do hard lines. It has been a minute. I haven't wheeled like good trails, like hard trails, since King of the Hammers. So I'm itching. I'm itching hard. I know that fellow over there. I know he's itching for some wheeling. So we're here to do it today. So we got a few in our group. We got a bunch of guys coming out. So we're gonna get started here at Turkey Claw. It's gonna be our little warm up. And then we're gonna go do other stuff over here. As for me, I'm driving Bruceberry today. Nissan is making a little comeback, so we're gonna have some fun with this truck today, and then we'll see how it goes. This fella, look at this thing. Hey, he's with us today. I'm gonna cut it short. Let's get wheeling. Dude, I haven't seen Turkey Claw like this in a while. It's bad. I think you're going over. Woo! The passenger! Attaboy! Oh, my dude! Yeah. Hey, we running full turkey, right? Yeah. Yeah, we'll run full. Keep it straight. Fucking Link, dude, your long arm. It's your long arm. There you go. Yeah, keep going straight up. Don't pivot yet. Keep going. Start turning now.
Am I looking? Am I looking good?
Yeah?
Okay, it's fucking going. Get up there, man.
And diff. Oh, you cleared it! Oh, you're my hero, Jeepu! Fuck yeah! Oh. All right, first section of turkey is done. Let's continue. It's warm today. Warm out today. Warm out yesterday. Let's go! Hey, that was dope. That was fucking dope. That's fucking wicked. Fuck. Come on, Stickies, stick! Come on, Stickies! Ah!
Passenger.
Fuck! Line it up. Watch that body! No! No!
You got a scratch. You gotta give it a little bump back.
Insurance won't cover it now. Wait. Don't bounce it. Don't bounce it. Passenger! There we go. Don't worry about it, Jeeple. He knows where he's going. He's going that way. To the moon. Yeah, maybe that's why I only have 488 and then yeah, but I only have 2 stock cases. might be able to drive out of it. Just make it quick.
Stop. Kill it.
Let's fucking go. Hey, sometimes you gotta recover like this. It just stay. Let's go. Fire in the hole. Hey, hold him, Ray. Hold him. Push him. No. Watch your head. Watch your head. How we doing, Jeeple?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Man, 3 months since I've been out.
It's been since KOH, huh?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same. Even though I've done wheeling, it's not the same. It's not the same. You need hard shit.
Rocks, hard shit.
Dude,
Get
these
the adrenaline
I need to
going
get
a
some of
little.
the Dirtnations of these, dude.
Cheap. My brother did this.
Those are cool. And make sure to pick up your Hammer shirts. We got them available on the website. It's dirtnationoffroad.bigcartel.com.
Yeah, look cool. Look cool.
Yeah.
Act like you do the fucking hard trails.
Yeah,
me
act
up.
like you wheel.
Yeah, and just act like it.
Yeah, we just watch.
Mostly do it all on foot.
I think it was coming out. Fuck. Is it coming out of the cylinder or is it the valve cover? Might be the valve cover. Hopefully the motor's worn out enough to where the oil will go past the cylinders. Let's fucking go. Did you just try that right now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're hydrolocked. He's hydrolocked. All right, clear the room, guys. It's gonna fucking rocket out at us.
Hold on, let me pull this.
Oh yeah, you don't want to get oil all over your tools. It's clutch safety, huh?
The Gatorade.
Hey, wait. Fuck you guys. Yeah, fuck that flag. Hey, well, don't worry, dude. Just wipe down the valve cover and everything with it. It's all good, dude. Yeah, there you go. Make this shit sparkly.
Wipe the windshield down.
Yeah, wipe that shit down. Yeah, you're just fouling the cat. That's it. Ah, sounds healthy. Sounds good. All right, I'll use this as an opportunity. Make sure to hit me up. You get your sacket bags. We got a bunch of colors. Last print with the old style of logo, and we're gonna be printing the new logo soon enough. But I gotta sell all these first. Did it break in there?
Well, we're seeing the inserts are coming back up.
This is the only screw that was holding it. The other two
Modulator.
came out.
Scrutinator.
Is there something in there?
Yeah, we're good on the Loctite.
We might be.
Sounds
like
nice.
it.
But it's working.
Doesn't have to sound good. Alright, shut that thing down.
Alright. Give it a little oil or something? Oh, that thing's still fucking tight. Yeah.
Alright, let's get in it.
Alright, shut it off. Oh, wait.
Just need to get back to cam.
Was that you shutting that off?
That was he shut it off.
I think that was a relay. Because that sounded like a fuse popping. I was like, but there's no fuse to pop. All right, let's continue the shenanigans. Give her hell. Move, Jeeple. Very good. I want to see it. Open the hood.
It smells like plastic and gasoline, bro. Great combination.
Plastic gasoline.
Burning plastic and gasoline.
Ah!
That's about what I expected. Where was it go?
Jeeple, 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 Jeeple. Yeah, buddy. So quick trail fix for lunchtime. We actually had a broken U-joint on this axle. So what we did is just swap out that U-joint. And then because the ears on the axle shaft got stretched out a little bit, we had to just hook it up to the carnage welder. And we just tacked those into place just to hold them for the day because he's got RCVC swapping in anyways. Let's continue. All right, I'm going to say that's fucking Guten tight. I'm not a welder, by the way. But hey, check out the carnage welder. Let them know we sent you. All right, well, trail number 2, we're gonna be checking out Sledgehammer today. Sledgehammer! So, I do not know how this one looks. It's gonna be interesting. I know it's one of the big boy fucking trails over here in Johnson Valley, so we'll see. Group's looking good. You're doing that shit. Let's go.
Driver. Oh, it's gonna fall.
Now go. Wait.
No, it's gonna fall. Forward.
Hold it right there. Cut it, driver. Looks good so far. Coming. Right there. Driver. Wiggle it.
Like it's all the way up to the steering block.
Woo-hoo, boy. Well, here's what we're doing. We're crossing off all the trails in Johnson Valley that we've at least tried them.
You gotta brake on them.
Maybe not finish them. Yeah, you got to brake on them and then come back and so.
So I just gotta put some 1-ton steering on it. That might be okay.
Or just full blown 1 ton. Wait. That's what I was talking about. Okay, that's good. Hold on.
Now it's
Fuck. let's do a back to basics moment here. We gotta pivot him this way. So we're using a snatch block to raise crawler. Hi, Ray. And then Jeeple is gonna be doing the honorary winching. As you go forward, pull him. Go forward now. Yeah, keep doing that. All right, wait. No. Keep winching him. Keep winching him. He needs more. Come back, Eric. Little bit. Underneath you, it might hit your diff. All right. Well, luckily we were able to get him turned around, and once he actually started driving forward, the steering bent back by itself just enough to where he was able to get it back to camp, and then we, bent it back and fixed it from there. Now, as for Johnson Valley, hey, we got another trail on our list that we got to come back and hit and cross off the list. For now, this is pretty much going to be it for JV trails until after summertime, unless we do a night run, which we definitely might. We love ourselves some night runs, but that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was good getting out, hitting some hard lines again. But hey, if you want to support the things we're doing here at Dirt Nation Off-Road, I got two things for you to check out. First is going to be our merch store. We got shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those goodies. And then you can check us out on Patreon to get exclusive access to all things Dirt Nation Off-Road. Until next time, thank you guys. Let's get it.